Okay, this is Jason with Majestec Security Screens. Again, we're in La Cañada, Flint Ridge today, where we've just installed our invisible security screen doors on several openings of our customer's home here. Right behind me, we've installed 3 single invisible security screen doors on the master bedroom. And then also on the master bath, we've installed one of our fire escape or quick release window screens. From inside, you can open it by pressing this latch very simply. The door swings open. Its design is in case of fire or some sort of emergency where you need to exit the home quickly, you can do that. Once you want to close it, give it a nice close from outside, and from outside you can't open it up. Again, this is our security screen, our marine grade stainless steel security mesh. You can't cut with a knife, you can't break it free from its frame. Also, our invisible security screen doors have a multi-point lock feature, so not only does the door lock at the deadbolt in the center, it also locks top and bottom to prevent somebody from potentially prying open a corner. So we've got their master bedroom, master bathroom secured. Over here on their den, we have installed a double door, or some people like to call it a French door, on this opening. Same concept. We have the multi-point lock on the functional door. On the stationary door, just like your entry door, it's locked in place on a day-to-day basis, but if you need to unlatch it and open it up, it opens up as well. So you have your entire opening open. Okay, we'll take a quick look around the side where we have also installed one last single door. This was kind of interesting. The customer had a Dutch door that they have a nice little shelf, or some people call it a mantle, that they didn't want to lose. They didn't want to have to cut this out. So what we did, we built the door out with some aluminum extrusion to bring our door back away from their Dutch door. So they didn't have to, again, cut that shelf or mantle. Again, this is Jason with Majestec Security Screens. Thanks for joining us today. If we can answer any questions for you, or you'd like to have us out to your home, you can always look us up on the web at majestecsocal.com, or give us a call toll free at 855-MAJESTEC. Thanks so much for joining us today. I'm sure we'll be talking to you soon.